Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a super useful English tense, the past continuous. It might sound a bit fancy, but I promise it's really simple and you probably already use it without even thinking about it. So what is the past continuous? We use it to talk about actions that were happening at a specific time in the past. Think of it like a movie scene. If I say, yesterday at 7 p.m., I was eating dinner, you can picture that action in progress. I hadn't finished eating. The action was ongoing at that specific moment. Let's break down how to form it. It's easy. You just need the past tense of to be, that was, or were, plus the main verb with an ending. So, I was watching, you were playing, she was working, they were talking. Remember, we use was for I, he, she, and it. We use were for you, we, and they. Simple, right? Now, here's where it gets really powerful. We often use the past continuous together with the simple past. This helps us set the scene and describe an interruption. For example, I was walking my dog when it started to rain. The walking was the longer, background action, that's our past continuous. The rain starting was the shorter, interrupting action, that's the simple past. Let's try another one. He was cooking dinner when the phone rang. The cooking was the ongoing action, and the phone ringing was the interruption. This structure is fantastic for storytelling because it adds detail and makes your descriptions more dynamic. Instead of just saying, I studied and my friend called, you can say, I was studying for my exam when my friend called. It paints a much clearer picture, doesn't it? You can also use it to talk about two actions happening at the same time in the past. For instance, while I was reading a book, my brother was playing video games. Both actions were happening simultaneously. So let's do a quick recap. Use the past continuous for an action in progress at a specific time in the past. Form it with what or were plus the ing verb. And use it to set the scene for another action or to show two actions happening at once. Try it out. Leave a comment below and tell me what you were doing yesterday at 8 p.m. For example, yesterday at 8 p.m., I was watching this amazing YouTube video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English tips. See you in the next one.